Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a very healthy one and easy and tasty too. We are making a millet adai and it has got the goodness of millets and also healthy vegetables in it. Here I have taken 1 cup of foxtail millet flour. You can use any millet flour which you have. Foxtail millet is also known as kangni in Hindi or Thinai in Tamil, Korra in Telugu, Navane in Kannada. Other languages, please look it up. So here I have taken 1 cup of this millet flour. To this I am adding 1 onion, a few coriander leaves, 2 green chillies, a little bit of cabbage and some spinach leaves. If you have other vegetables like carrot or beans also you can use. Today I have this, so I am using. So first we will chop all the vegetables very fine and bring it. Now we will just add some salt to the flour for taste. I am adding the finely chopped vegetables. Now mix everything well together. If you have jowar flour also you can use. Whichever millet flour that you have, you can use it. These millet flours are now readily available online as well as in supermarkets too. Now just leave it aside for 10 minutes. It is about 10 minutes now. See, this onion and other vegetables will itself give out some water. Now you can just sprinkle a little more water to bring the dough together. Here I have some warm water, so just add a little bit, 1 or 2 tablespoons at a time and mix it all together. Don't add too much water, just add 1 or 2 tablespoons as required. Now our dough is ready. Now this is this Adai eco bake paper. You can use any butter paper or even if you have a cloth you can wet it and use. Here I have just lightly greased this paper. I kept a tawa for heating. Now take a ball of dough like this. Now place it on the paper and gently pat it into an adai. Experienced people will do it directly on the tawa, but beginners may find that difficult because the tawa will be hot. Place this adai on the tawa and after half a minute just gently remove the butter paper from it. Cook it over a low to medium flame. We can just make a hole in the center. Add a little bit of oil all around the adai and a few drops in the center too. Just after a few minutes carefully flip it over and cook it well on the other side too. This is a very healthy adai for people of all ages, especially diabetics too, because we are using millets and have introduced lots of fiber with cabbage and spinach and vegetables in it. So it is a very good option. See, now when it is done well on both the sides, you can remove it onto a plate. Likewise, make with the remaining flour also. See that you tap it such that the thickness is even throughout. So with 1 cup of flour, we can get 5 adais of this size. Our healthy and tasty millet adais are all now ready to be served. Here I have some butter, and also you can add some homemade pickle to go with it. You don't need any other side dish. Just try the awesome taste of the butter just melting on the hot adai, and you will really love it. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen. We'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.